Heavy flooding from seasonal rains in Afghanistan has claimed the lives of at least 33 people and injured 27 others in 3 days. According to an official, flash floods hit the capital Kabul and several other provinces across the country, causing a partial or complete destruction of more than 600 houses and death around of 200 livestock. The flooding also damaged around 800 hectares of agricultural land and more than 85 kilometers of roads. The source mentioned that the weather department has warned that more rain is expected in the coming days in the most of Afghanistan in 34 provinces.